Once upon a time, a town called Falluvary was surrounded by huge mountains and a vast sea. The location of the town was bliss and a constant danger for the town, but thankfully, till now everything was going peacefully. In this peaceful place lived a girl named Sally. She was kind, brave, and always willing to help others. She had many interests to keep herself busy. She loved reading books, playing, sewing, and cooking with her mother. One day Sally took a stroll in the town. She was busy with her thoughts, but she was unable to pass the strangeness happening there. People seemed scared and sad. Roads were blocked. The town was in chaos, and everyone seemed unaware of the source of commotion. Sally was a curious girl, so she decided to find out what is happening. Sally contacted her friends and together they decided to investigate the current situation. Soon they found that a terrible storm is going to hit the seashore and it will cause huge destruction. If the storm is going to hit the seashore, it will shake the buildings and collapse them, resulting in endangering the lives of the townspeople. Sally and her friends decided to do something to help the town. They decided to call everyone they knew for help. They gathered at the town square. Once they reached there, they saw other kids were also arriving. They realized that everyone had the same idea to help save their town from the storm. Sally had an idea. She knew they couldn't stop the storm, but they could work together and do something about the buildings. She asked everyone to join hands and help each other build strong structures. With teamwork and collaboration, they could save their town and make it a better place. The kids immediately agreed to help. The kids worked together under Lily's guidance. They used whatever materials they could find to make strong structures, while some of them set up barricades to block off the dangerous areas. They worked tirelessly, making sure they got all their work done before the storm hit. Just as they finished their last structure, they saw the storm coming towards them. It was a big, black, thundering cloud that was moving fast. Everyone took shelter behind the buildings they had just built. The storm hit with full force. The wind was strong and the rain pounded hard on the buildings, but due to their hard work and planning, they were able to save their lives and their precious things. Once the storm passed, the kids stepped out to inspect the damage. They were happy to see that their hard work had paid off. As they were walking back to their homes, they realized that the power of friendship and teamwork is what had saved their town and kept everyone safe. From that day on, the kids of Falluvary knew the importance of working together. They knew that whatever challenge came their way, they could face it together.